This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. Location, location, location. Centrally located in the very desirable Oakwood of Coral Springs. Space galore in this very open floor plan, ready for you to call home. Breathtaking view of lake from very private, oversized backyard oasis offering plenty of lush landscape. Beautiful extended patio with covered patio, perfect for those backyard barbecues. Large Florida room adding to living space. Host your next holiday in the grand formal dining room. No carpet and loads of natural light. Dual AC zone, hurricane panels, hurricane rated garage door, pull down stairs for easy attic access. Exterior recently painted. Whole house water filtration system. Roof 2005. Freestanding outdoor hot tub and safe and master bedroom closet included. Plenty of room for pool. No HOA. Close to everything. For more information, review the details below.